afternoon, students. Today we are going to study here this chapter, triangles and their properties. Triangles and their properties. See in your textbook page number 77, 15th one chapter. In the figure, alongside some points and some line segment joining them have been drawn, and which of this figure is a triangle, which figure is not a triangle, why not? See here. Here first one figure, this A, B, C, these 3 points are joined to form here 3 line segments. And this first one figure is a triangle. Triangle is a closed figure. Triangle ABC has these 3 sides. Line segment AB is one side. Write the names of these other 2 sides means BC and AC. Triangle ABC has 3 angles. How many angles? 3 angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. And write the names of these other angles. Point A, B and C are called the vertices of this triangle. Means triangle has 3 sides, triangle has 3 angles and triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. Triangle is a closed figure made by joining these non-collinear points by line segments. See here, triangle is a closed figure by joining these 3 non-collinear points. These 3 non-collinear points, by joining these 3 non-collinear points here form 3 line segments and to form a one closed figure, and it is a triangle ABC. The vertices, sides and angles of a triangle are called these parts of this triangle. The parts of the triangle, vertices, sides and angles. 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangle ABC is an closed figure. Angle A, angle B and angle C are these 3 angles. Point A, B, C vertices of this triangle, and side AB, BC and AC, these 3 sides. Then types of triangles. Types of triangles based on side. Here types of triangles based on sides. Types of triangles based on sides. Based on sides, there are 3 types of these triangles. How many types of triangles based on sides? 3. First one is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and third one is scaling triangle. Then see this first one figure of this equilateral triangle. This A, B, C, equilateral, all sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, see a triangle with all 3 sides are equal is called as equilateral triangle. Then second one, isosceles triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. This P, Q, R, here only 2 sides equal. Isosceles triangle means a triangle with 2 sides equal is called as isosceles triangle. And third one, scaling triangle. A triangle, this one triangle, here all sides different. All sides different. It is called as a scaling triangle. A triangle with all 3 sides different is called as a scaling triangle. See here these types of triangle base round sides. Here three types. First one is triangle ABC, equilateral triangle, all three sides equal. Triangle PQR, only two sides equal, isosceles triangle. Third one, this triangle LMN, scaling triangle, means all three sides are different. Then next one, types of triangles based on angles. Based on angles. Then first one is here acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. See this figure DEF. Here all three angles are these acute angles. DEF. A triangle with all three angles are acute angles is called as this acute angled triangle. Then second one series triangle PQR, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle means a triangle with one angle is right angle. One angle is right angle is called as right angled triangle. Then third one, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. DEF. This triangle DEF is an obtuse angled triangle. Means a triangle with one angle is obtuse angle. See here, this one angle is obtuse angle and remaining two angles are this acute angles. A triangle with one angle is obtuse angle is called as this obtuse angled triangle. Then the sum of the measures of these three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the measures of these three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then property of this triangle is the sum of the lengths of these any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of this third sides. Means the sum of the lengths of these two sides of a triangle means AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Here AB plus BC is equal to AC. Means the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than this lengths of this third side. Then this practice set 36. Tomorrow we will study. Okay. Bye.